Good morning. Very fresh. Very fresh na ligo. Walang boses si ate. Kakasakit na yung pamilyang ito. That's my coffee. Good morning, Sip Unon. Good morning, Di. Indabin ka. Good morning, Di. Ang kulot natin, oh. Kulot. Oh. Oh. Very good. Ay, kuya, wanta maipit. Sotanghon. Hanggang bukas po itong sotanghon. Bandihadong pihon.
Hanggang the next one.
I-freeze lang ba?
Ito mo siya sa plastic na sa car.
Saka na bawal mag-inventory ba?
Lagyan ito.
Sa dessert ba?
Yeah, bottomless. Oh, kada. Ikaw mo siya itong The bottomless pancit. Hey, girl. Habala. Kami ay aalis, guys. Punta pala kami ng Asian store. Tapos afternoon, ibisitahin ko yung bahay ko kung ano nang nangyari doon. Kasi, grabe na talaga yung improvement. Pa-roofing na tayo. Or, I feel like may roofing na nga. Umuulan ngayon. Halate, di ulan, te. Magkalo ka. Ah, okay. Tapos, itong batang ito is, hindi siya,
Okay talaga iwan siya. Matutulog na
hindi siya sasama man. Kasi, sleeping time na niya.
Yes.
Pero akala niya, sama siya.
Let's go to bed. Come on, let's go to bed.
Hala, ni gawa. Hala, di. Wala mang kay labot.
Yay! Bye, tita. Say bye to tita.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, JJ!
Kailangan naman niya matulog.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Suko. Ah, sakay siya.
No, see, the weather is really bad, Baba. The Asian shop is really
Let's go. Hala, kasense siya. Wag yun ay kilabot. This is our Tita, sorry di. This is our outfit. Maghanap tayo ng slippers. Si Michelle, nandun sa likod.
Kaya nga.
Sabi ako lang doon kasi maliit ako ba? Ayaw mo niya. Bala ka dyan, girl.
Once I get the address, miss.
Let's go!
Actually,
Without Didi this time.
Oh, no, JJ!
No Didi. Kailangan matulog ni Madam.
wala pa siya ng color. Oh my gosh, look at the rain.
Yeah,
See,
pangit
dili
ang
siya pwede.
panahon.
Gabot na to dito mo na ukta si Indil. Uy, kayo.
Umuulan. Today, whole day yung ulan.
Look, I think the bat smell.
It's raining!
Look, I think the bat smell.
Yes, baby. I'm trying to get this address going.
It's not going bitaw na. Loading ah. Guys, nandito na tayo. Oh my God, ang bilis!
You have to, going out.
My God, ang bilis naman. May bricks na. Nakita ko pa lang yung video ni ate last week. Hindi pa ganito. Pero look at it. Look at that. The Ella's coming out too.
Why is there no one here?
Yeah, no, because it's a weekend. No one's working here. Look at that ate!
Oh, yeah, now here.
It's my house! Guys, tingnan nyo! Gawa na talaga siya. Andiyan na nga yung glass. Akala ko wala pa yung glass. I mean, yung window ba? That's the window. Oh my God, such a big one. Tita Michelle's not coming out. Coming here. Oh my God, ang bilis naman ito. Feeling ko, wala pang December, tapos na to. That's my main entrance. Ayan. Sige. May brick na sa gilid. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Ayan na yung bricks. Ang bilis-bilis. Oh my God! Ang bilis-bilis! I cannot imagine. Pakita ko yung bricks sa gilid. Ay, hindi ko ma-imagine na ang bilis-bilis. Like last week lang talaga si ate nag-send sa akin ng video. Wala pa talaga to. Kita nyo ha? Bang! Ang bilis. Tapos andito yung brick sa labas. Amazing! Oh my God, guys! Hindi ko ma-imagine! Akala ko talaga, mga December pa to. Pero sa paningin ko ngayon, earlier than that. You know what? Yung roofing tapos na. Tapos na yung roofing, guys. Oh my God. Tapos na yung roofing. Sige. Mag-picture daw kami dito ni Ella. Tingnan nyo yung ating mga windows. Ang laki-laki.
A
Wow.
table?
No, this is just to cover the bricks. That's gonna be the bricks.
Ew.
Yes.
They are really
Pero, kuha ni siya, te. Pareha siguro color, ana. Or mo na ni? Mo na ni ka, dark? That's good. Lahat talaga ng mga windows. Tapos na pala. Tapos yan yung likod ko. Hindi ko na lang siguro puntahan, no? Sige. Look at that. Ito yung main entrance ko. Okay ra kung door no. Ako man nagipadakan gamay. Gamay ra good. Yeah. Yan, malaki na eh. This is my main door. Ding, ding, ding. Hindi tayo allowed dito pero wala akong pake. Wala akong pake. Huy, ano diri ang sliding door. Pati yung sliding door andito na. Oh my God! Tapos na talaga siya. Look at that! Yung sliding door, andito na din. Hala ka. Ito yung ano ko. I wonder if they can still change it. Oh my God! Inalter ko pa to. Hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Inalter ko man to siya. Yes, gipausab ba yan ni nako. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Kay sa old layout pa ni siya. Ang present na layout, I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. Nag-upgrade ko, but then I don't know if pwede pa siya. Kay tapos na pala yung plumbing. Basta change ko kasi itong layout na to. Tapos ngayon ko lang nalaman, tapos na yung plumbing. Oh my God, this is my kusina. So, ito yung aking island. Yan yung aking wait. So, ito yung aking island. Ito yung kitchen. Dito. Dito yung and then, ito yung rooms. Third room. Second room. My room. May kalaban? I'm sure ba?
Pisti sinasabi ka lang.
Hindi naman tayo allowed dito. Bumasok talaga tayo. This is my toilet. Ito yung aking ensuite. Okay. Ito yung aking ano day.
Walk in.
Walk-in. This is my walk-in. Another room. Ito yung aking ensuite. Tapos ito yung main bathroom. Paspasin nila, uy! Paspasin sila, amin. Ang sa ako.
Kasi kailangan yung uwan at ano sa nila.
Abi to, 2 weeks uwan.
Di, uy, kikuan naman. Good indoor naman ilang trabaho na naman sa roof. Ah.
Mike, can you live in the house?
Wa pa yung roof pag Tuesday? Ah.
How many years is the time machine? How many
Yung mga
years?
dali nila close ba? Dali nila close ba?
So, ito yung ating likod. Pero yung fence, i-change pa man yan. That's it. Oh my God. Bilis-bilis ng panahon, no? See? Oh my God. Ang bilis. Bakit ang bilis-bilis? Nashock ako kung gaano siya kabilis. Bilis naman. That's it, guys. Oh my God. Buti na lang pinuntahan natin siya. Kasi nakita natin na ganito na pala yung progress. Hindi ko ini-expect. Ang bilis-bilis. Sabi ni ate last week, like, konting-konti pa lang na roofing yung nagawa nila. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. Tapos na yung roofing. Tapos yung bricks, andyan na. For the next 2 weeks, nakita ko na maulan. So, buti na lang natapos kasi maulan na next week.
Naga, klapok na ni sa
Nandito pala tayo sa Long Life Asian Store. Nagsha-shopping, grocery.
That's why, because you have a lot.
Yan yung mga nakuha na natin. May mangga pa dyan, guys. Our mango. Hindi ko na makita.
Uy, uli na na yung mga coins. Girl,
Oh, si Madam.
Wala.
Wala. Gusto niya talaga kunin na yung coins niya kasi bibilhan niya si Indy daw. What are you gonna buy, Ayla?
I have $3 and $1.50.
How much is that?
The pokey one. The strawberry one. That's $3.
Wala na.
The bear.
Yeah, and not the bear. The stick.
Mama,
Ang dami hinahanap na wala dito.
I smell it down.
Naghahanap ng Kinder Egg
Only
sa Asian store.
Mga fish money na.
I only downed it, okay? I guess what?
Seafood money.
Boy, one
We are done here.
Yeah.
Punta tayo sa
Okay.
falls next, guys. And
I feel-
then, that's it.
You have a I one.
You might get the same one.
Are we
Yeah, that's true. No, you're not. Ito yung hinahanap nila.
Let me see, Alo.
$6.80 lang.
I'm getting
Kinder
this.
Eggs.
I'm getting this.
So kulang niya. So,
you choose
dalawa na lang.
properly, Alo. Choose
I'm getting
properly.
this.
So, ang naman? 5 ra ka ba?
I get different.
That's a different one.
I think this.
Yung mga chocolates ba, half price. Ang daming half price. Napaka-tempting. Ay, ang Nutella na masarap. Uy. Yung Nutella na masarap, hindi naka-sale. Sayang. Dito na kami. We are gonna cook sinigang. Oh God, nakakamiss yung sinigang. Perfect sa panahon ngayon. Ilang araw na, ilang weeks na namin na-miss magsinigang. Asa itong dalawang tomorrow, son?
And I got this too. And I got this.
Daddy.
Ang lagi niya. So, yung travel natin bukas 8 hours. So, bumili tayo mga chips. Yan, shrimp. Shrimp. Popcorn.
Hands-free.
Hindi ito sa atin, no? Kailangan eh. Turtle chips. Finally, yung chili. Udon. Another turtle chips. Giant Red Bull. Para sa drive. Kit Kat. Snickers. Skittles. Ay, pag i-finish ang ano? Movie kahapon ba?
Goodness, Arlo.
Oh yeah, I can do away. I can do away.
Makakrack sa itlog ba?
Superman!
Wow! Superman!
I told you, don't buy the dragons, just the superhero. You would have gotten more superhero.
Supergirl! I got Supergirl!
Supergirl.
Supergirl! Daddy got Supergirl too!
Mate, look at this. I need to find Catwoman.
Another one Supergirl!
This
Look
is
how good Supergirl!
Nice one, boy.
so cool. So cool. I like it. I
Now
need
we
to
can
find
eat our
Catwoman.
chocolate.
Catwoman, eh?
Everything.
It's everything. Yes.
Boy.
Maka-kit-kit sa kanila.
Lagi, bas-bas kayo mukuhan.
See how many I got! See how many I got!
Yeah, count. Count.
This is
No,
great!
so many. What's this?
One,
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yay.
6, 7!
See, we could have gotten another one, not the dragon.
Ay, tayo ng atis.
And Vito, look!
Isla.
Maka-ice lang sa siya.
Lamig, tamis.
So what you do is, you put a little bit of water here, and then a picture will come out.
Lamig.
Yeah.
Tamis.
Water.
Little water, drops of water only.
For what?
Para magawa ng picture sa kanang camera.
Ah, really? Done. I said, I think that's too much. This is nice.
Pa Merino.
Why did you tell Lola that?
Oh my god, it's fully covering! You can see! It didn't give a show! It did it!
Nice lagi natin.
나의 맘에 조금씩 자리 잡은 널 느낄 때면 괜히 잠을 설치고 괜한 이유로 내게 연락해 매번 같은 실수 반복해 이런 마음이 익숙지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile? Why don't you tell me your heart? 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지
Arranging our life again.
자꾸만 마주칠 때 스치는 너의 그 시선이 떨어지는 방법을 모르는 저기의 저 별과 같아 어쩌면 너만 길을 바라
Hoy, basa! I wanna go.
Finally have your car back!
Yeah. Look at Didi, oh. Your feet are wet now. No, stay there, Didi.
When are you done?
Ano? Kainan na! Oh my God! Ang sarap ng ating ulam. Our ulam is sinigang. Yay! And Indy's eating sinigang.
Sour. I don't want to eat sour fruit.
Who's naughty?
Oh, tanawa.
Dede. Let's eat, guys.
You both.
Sabaw first.
That's mine.
Huy! Na.
When this done, ilan na lang Carlo? Ano?
Good job, Awo.
I love it.
Here you go, Ate Ayla.
Nom 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 nom!
Cheers, Ate Ayla. Cheers, though.
I
Oh, what? What?
I
away naman mo. Why you fighting, guys? Wala kayo dyan, guys. Kain ako.
Here you go. May pati si chili.
Ay. Grabe, napaka-soft yung alik. Soft yung alik.
No, they varnish so you can store it. What if you open this?
Please stop touching her. Then she's eating this.
Nag-order din rin.
I have this one.
A bit of everything.
Mga uy butasan, nag-order ila.
Good night, Olive. And Indy. Good night, Indy. Look, niinom. Hoy. Niinom. Bata ka lagi inom. Hoy, it's gonna hurt your eyes. It's gonna hurt your eyes. No, because that has grade. It's gonna hurt your eyes.
Gotcha! See what? Only not baked in surface.
You will give it to Tita Michelle ko.
Not baked
Hoy,
in
nagkakaroon
surface.
ka inom-inom diha nga di mo tubig.
Surface.
Night day.
Hug Tita Michelle, hug.
Bye-bye, Didi.
Hug Tita Michelle.
Ako balik? Sige, balik. Balik lang.
Hello, me.
Ate Tita.
Bye-bye, Didi. I'm gonna miss you again, Didi.
Tug naman day sila. Sarasa day.
Bye.
9?
Bye. It's time to sleep. It's
9? Kiss-kiss pa.
Bye, Tita. Blow kiss.
Look, kiss. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Guess what, Tina Rick?
Ala, good night, ate.
Now.
Good night, ate.
You need not. Well,
You have to sleep. You have school tomorrow.
but I'm sleeping to Tina Rick.
Guys, nag-watch sila ng movie kanina. And then, while nag-watch sila ng movie, what do you call that? Send Help. Naka-watch na kasi ako niyan, like last week. So, sila nag-watch sila. Ako natutulog ako. Tapos, after nun, napasarap yung tulog, guys. Nagising ako. And, siguro almost 9 na. Tapos, kailangan na pala nilang matulog kasi tomorrow is Monday. So, school na ng mga bata. So, hindi kami masyado nakapag-bonding. Ayun, ano na sila. Nag-settle na sila. Andun na sa mga kwarto at nagtatry na matulog. And ako, andito na din ako sa kwarto. I'm just gonna wear my pajamas. And then, siguro mag-i-edit na lang ako. Kasi nga, nag-nap tayo. And tomorrow, we are gonna drive 8 hours ngayon. Drive natin papunta sa next contract. So, that's it. Yeah, that's basically it for tonight, guys. I am gonna see you tomorrow sa ating travel. And yeah, good night.